Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. Today I will again discuss about my trade which I am done on 31 August 2022, and the result on this daily trade is 33%, so that means that the trade was 2 loss and 1 profit. So what is happening in this kind of trade? What is the perception? What is wrong? Because this is not the good result that maybe we expected, or especially I expected. And let's see what we can learn, you and I can learn from this mistake. So this is the option number 1, guys. The option number 1 was exactly doing a sell in the minor and the probably could be not the probably, it's a major uptrend and the minor uptrend. So this is the position that we have wrong perception on this kind of situation. Okay, so this level of 14.6, which is this is must be the round number. Okay, and why I enter here a sell option? Because seeing only this candle without analyzing that this could be also the strong minor uptrend. So I see this, and well, I think this is selling pressure, but actually it's not a selling pressure, it's a consolidation here. So in between the consolidation, so after the bullish it varies and get bullish again, and then even the continuation. So this kind of doji happening, it's representing the strong trend because it's some kind of retracement. Okay, but it's mean that here was some kind of like maybe consolidation. Okay, because the candle was like this, here was the hammer with the not breaking this wick. So it's not the concept of stall, it's only because it's against the major or not confluent with the major. So this is, if we doing sell here, then we will have this result, we will against the minor, and the most important thing is we against the major. But why this kind of trade is happening? Okay, because this, okay, and I read this like after this candle appears, okay, this is the round number, could be now it's going ranging here. That is my expectation, that the price going back to the round number, but with this selling pressure. But actually this is not the selling pressure, and it's only a consolidation here. So this is the gambling, and this is not good for trading. And what we can see another perspective of this one, could be this one, but this is difficult, guys. This is the area was difficult. If we count with the 3 candlestick, then this is the bullish candle, and probably I expect here a doji or a bearish with this kind of 3 candlestick, but actually it was bullish with the upper and lower shadow, not breaking this wick, but actually it's going up. So this is also can be like this. Okay, what is that? The breakout and the pattern. Okay, it's like the formation of pennant, the chart pattern. Okay, or triangle. So this is like a ascending triangle, breakout, continuation. Yeah, this is a little bit difficult to trade, and that was loss. and the important thing was we against the major and the minor trend in there, and we have wrong the perception of consolidation. It's not it's a consolidation, but it's too short. Okay, short consolidation because of the trend. Okay, the next was, you see here, this is our entry, first entry, and then they got that up, and here they got down again. But here again I do a call option in there. You see the entry point was good, and the number one, the entry point is not so nice. It's out of the mission. The second one is doing the mission, but the reading of the context was wrong here. Context here was the minor downtrend. Okay, minor downtrend. Why? Because this has to be careful with when we read this candlestick. I read this candlestick as the exhaustion candle, but actually it's not. It's like the first big of pressure, and this is happening the next. What I think here, okay, just think. Of course my trade here is not supported by a lot of data. That's make the decision is a little bit mess. Okay, I don't see this. Okay, this the chart pattern, that is the triangle. The triangle breakout will happen. The next is continuation. Triangle breakout, the next was continuation, and this is also not I read the triangle. What I read was, my brain is telling me that this is exhaustion candle, so here not breaking 20 EMA, and here the level of the round number. Okay, so the entry was good purpose because I wait that the price move to this round number and use this round number as a backup, but actually the candle closed exactly on the round number, and that is making the loss. And also it's impossible to go profit here because this is only have a small wick. Then that is mean that I have wrong interpret the breakout of this candlestick. I read this candlestick as a weak candle and happen a retracement here, bullish, following the major trend, but actually the minor trend is too strong, and that is because of this is the first candle breakout from this triangle. That is only the reason that I can see there. And this candle breaking a lot of, this is the significant ratio, this is the 14.6 Fibonacci, and after the 14.6 the price will only, the destiny of the price will be the zero level. Okay, so that is why what I not see and why I lose the trade in there. Okay, that is second. And the third was the next candlestick. So the next candlestick a little bit of risky. This is already lost momentum, guys, so this is also affected by psychology, that I lost there once, I lost here once, and here just like not so nice entry and not so nice decision. So here the psychology is still affected here, which I'm doing a sell option because only seeing this candlestick. Okay, so this is like a shooting star. My expectation was this candle was broken, and I just entering following the minor trend against the major trend because of this kind of ranging market now, because this candlestick, only because of that I could not find another reason why I doing a sell here. Even I can see this is a loss of momentum, and the possibility here to be bullish is also high, but this is some kind of luck, guys. This is not the analysis, but the important thing is following the minor trend. Only on the ranging market you can get a profit, because if this kind of price is not ranging, it will be happen bullish here because the major is still up. So this is kind of luck. You see the candle finally is a doji, long leg doji with the gray, no body, no real body, and then it's why this doji happen is trapped in between of this round number and 20 EMA. That is the reason. Oh sorry, was the 38.6 micro, so this is also the level. So this doji happening because of the 38.6 and the round number in the same place, and then it's making a doji. Okay, so we have to aware also that the shooting star, this is like the shooting star against the trend, okay, and then against the major trend, and then this is also the possibility of 4 bearish candle, which is showing that loss momentum may happening, and that is why the consolidation will be here. Okay, here will be, you can we can still trade here if we find the context that the consolidation is here. So the consolidation, if that the case, then the consolidation will be started by the failure of the shooting star. So here it's, honestly, we cannot trade in there. Honestly, we cannot trade in there because this is the possible of loss momentum is also high. So again, that the trade that I'm done, and I hope I can learn from this, because the mission of this month was the safe entry point, and I do the safe entry point 2 times here. Once, this is not only one, only I think here this is not. So this is some kind of bad trade. Okay, bad trade, and maybe I still cannot get out from that, but let's see what can we do. We have to explore all the mistake. Okay, that was the explanation, guys. I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you. Bye bye.